Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Results Unleashed. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of AI voice and chatbot technology. I'm your host, Joe, and joining me is Nat, our resident AI specialist. Nat, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Joe. It's great to be here.
So, let's get right into it. What are some of the most significant trends we're seeing in AI voice and chatbot tech right now in 2025?
Well, Joe, one major trend is the rise of hyper-personalized AI assistants. We're seeing AI that can adapt to individual users in real-time learning preferences and providing tailored interactions. Think beyond simple keyword responses, but more like an interactive conversation that feels truly human and uniquely caters to you.
Fascinating. What does that look like in a practical sense for businesses?
For businesses, this means chatbots that can handle complex customer inquiries with ease, offering faster and more accurate support. It's also revolutionizing how companies interact internally, with AI assistants managing scheduling, data retrieval, and even onboarding for new employees. The focus has shifted to seamless integration and enhanced user experience.
That's quite a shift. What about voice tech? How is that evolving?
Voice technology is seeing a surge in sophistication. We're moving beyond basic voice commands to sophisticated natural language processing that allows AI to understand context, tone, and intent more accurately. Think of systems that understand not just what you say, but why you're saying it. The application in customer service is huge.
So instead of simple commands, the AI responds more naturally to intent?
Precisely. This makes for much more intuitive and user-friendly systems. We're also seeing huge advances in voice synthesis, making AI voices sound increasingly human, and even allowing for cloning of personal voices for specific use cases, of course, with required ethical considerations in place.
That's a game changer. What about the ethical aspect? Are there emerging challenges or considerations business professionals should be aware of?
Absolutely. As AI becomes more sophisticated, ensuring privacy and data security is paramount. Companies need to make sure their technology is transparent, compliant, and, most importantly, built with user trust as a core principle. We also need to address any potential bias in algorithms and ensure equitable access to these technologies.
That's crucial for responsible AI implementation. What would be your final words of advice for any business looking to adopt this technology in 2025?
Focus on user experience, ensure data privacy, and invest in technology that's ethically sound. AI voice and chatbots, when applied correctly, have huge potential to increase efficiency, boost customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. Understand the full potential of the tech and match it to the needs of your specific business goals.
Fantastic advice, Nat. Thank you so much for sharing your insights on these latest AI trends.
My pleasure, Joe.
And to our listeners, if you want to learn more about how Results 2 Go can help you integrate these AI solutions into your business, check out the link in the description below. That's all for today's episode of Results Unleashed. Join us next time for another deep dive into business innovation. Before we wrap up, Nat, let's talk a bit about the future. What do you see as the next big leap in AI voice and chatbot technology?
Great question, Joe. I believe the next big leap will be the integration of AI with augmented reality. Imagine interacting with virtual assistants in a 3D space, where they can guide you visually as well as audibly. This could revolutionize training and education sectors.
That sounds like science fiction becoming reality. How soon do you think we might see this in action?
It's closer than we think. Prototypes are already in development, and we could see initial applications within the next few years. The challenge will be making it accessible and affordable to businesses of all sizes.
Exciting times ahead. Any final thoughts on how businesses can prepare for these advancements?
Businesses should start by investing in flexible and scalable AI platforms. Building a strong foundation now will make it easier to integrate new technologies as they become available. It's all about staying agile and ready to innovate.
Wise words, Nat. Thank you once again for such an enlightening conversation.
Thank you, Joe. It's always a pleasure to discuss the future of technology.
To our listeners, remember to stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities. Tune in next time for more insights on how technology is reshaping our world. Until then, take care and keep innovating. Outro music fades in.